Hello everyone, today we are starting the phase 2 of the channel. Let's see what we created in the previous phase. What we created is a presentation that we use a morph, but today we are going to learn just one fact. That's an important fact I learned from who wrote the sorry, I forget his name. It's I might now, when it's come, I will tell you I learned it from who. But the important thing is that he has a rule for presentations, a slide that gave you 505. What it means each slide must have 5 paragraphs or 5 text, and each text or paragraph must don't have more than 5 words. What he means, the point of his word is that you need to make your PowerPoint more and more simpler. Because of what? Because when your PowerPoint presentation is simple, your work seems better and better for the ones that see you, and they truly can see your presentation, not some effects and the things you maybe don't like them. And I remember the name. The Brian Tracy said that thing, 505, the rules he said. And we are going to append that. For example, he said that if you have a picture here, you mustn't have more than 4. For example, let's say paragraph first and second, third, and fourth. You must not have more than 4 paragraphs. Why he tells that it's really important? Why he tells that? It's because when you are going to present something, when you are trying to present something, it's important. If it is not an online presentation or it is an online presentation, it's important to people saw your presentation. So what you present, what you have to present, not your PowerPoint. It's good that you take a lot of efforts for creating your PowerPoint, but it's important your slide don't have more than 5 paragraphs, and each paragraph or sentence don't have more than 5 words. You must use a question sentence or conclusion sentence. For example, what we created in the past part, it's one phrase in one slide, and it's really good. You can talk about it, and then when you want to make some space for yourself and be ready for presenting the next slide, you click on the animations, and when the persons are watching the animations, you take your time and watch your notes and start to telling everybody about the next paragraph. It's really important, this method, to use it. I want to give you some hint about it because it's really important for you to use it. And I'm going to teach you more about it. But this is the end of this lesson. We are going to just learn this easy fact. Maybe some of you think it's too easy, but it's important. It's really, really important for you to use it. I write it here. 5/5 rule. It's really important. And the one who use it make their presentation great. I can say how great they create their presentation, because it's change everything. Because whenever someone is watching your presentation, he understand that the presentation is good, okay, but he understand you take a lots of time to create that presentation, and they will probably be very proud of you for your work. Okay, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments. We are going to create some unique presentation and topics, and let's speak about them in the next lesson. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good night.